So friend, this is my online Nettech Sky channel. In this my video, I am completely show you course, network courses related. So watch my previous video and very important for you. I am already clear what is a network and why using network of computer, different type of you can see here. While needing network connection, network diagram, and previous video I am a lot of created videos advantage of this is one key topology. Okay, network backbone, what is the backbone of network, and how this backbone work. Types of network is very important. Understand about how many types of network in computer network and internet. So home area network, local area network, personal area network, campus area network, metropolitan valid network, wireless network, and a lot of network devices you can see here. I'm already told you what how many type of devices, and everything I was showing you devices related some information. So network and internet related, what is the different network and internet, and you can see here OSI model related, very important for you. Network gateway, what is the network gateway? OSI model, what is the OSI model and how many type of OSI layer of model startup here. So you can see here, this is an example OSI model in frequency, one type of very important to understand. Your computer, any side, any data, anywhere side data, 1970 to 1973 start up your OSI project, and ARPANET is a very important for project related networking. So OSI project is a one type of structure of the network of how data traveling, how data transfer, how you receive and sending data. So 1970 is included an international organization of standardization. So ISO is a conduct program and develop general standard of method of networking. And 1970 completely startup in 1973 is some switches packets. Okay, so this is a higher level of protocols form created in 1977 ISO making startup. Watch my previous video. I already told you about this. And the publish for publicly ISO standard 1984, one type of defined. And after 1984, lot of standardized 7498 is number of certified and OSI reform model, and now is this is an open interconnection, one type of any one to another computer, and this OSI layer collect new type of reference model in 7-layer model. Okay, so this is a one type of a different one to another side person. So now this time I will show you OSI 7-layer model and structure. Understand about how data traveling in the internet and network, and why this OSI layer very important, and how many changing in OSI time to time structure new type of model create. So let's start understand about OSI layer of a model in understand about OSI structure of networking inside changing transferring data and how many protocol. So let's understand and OSI layer model. Okay, so let's start. So friend, before start my video, I will give one type of message for you. So how you visit my channel? So why this type online Nettech channel and click on search, and you can see this type my logo. Click on
So
it and
this is a
you can visit my this channel. Okay, everything you want the information related, computer related, advanced computer hardware, network, software, everything playlist I am already created. So click on playlist and you can see you want any computer hardware related information, computer network courses related information. So click on and visit my playlist, and I'm continuously one by one time to time I'm update my new video and upload video. So you can very good knowledge for increase your knowledge, and very important for information for you are computer beginner. So you can select control panel options and other Microsoft already uncreated videos. So you can see this is the control panel, everything information give in my video. You can see this is a very important for you. Windows operating 7, 8, 9, Windows 10. So friends, this is your operating system. You can control using. This is a very important setting. So operating system related information I'm already created in this my video. So you can see this is a very important for you, and you visit my other playlist. See Windows 7 basic related. What is a Windows 7? What is a Windows 7 inside the settings and information related I'm already created. What is a 64-bit? What is a 32-bit? So I'm already created everything. So click on subscribe button, click on bell icon, because every time I upload new videos, so first notify and first notification message in your mobile computer. So click on subscribe, click on like button, and visit other my playlist. So thank you. So the concept of 7-layer model was provided by the work of Charles Benchman, Honeywell Information System. Okay, so concept 7-layer model. Okay, 7-layer model was provided by work Charles Benchman and Honeywell Information System. So types of computer, lot of computer network you are when showing main LAN personal network, any network going through the transferring data any worldwide, so you can see this is a lot of network communication and transferring data. So how this transferring data, how is identified, and why these one device to another device side receiving pick up your your message, your picture, your you are watching in the internet or video, you are watching, you are sending email, everything your data. It's called 7-layer through 7 model. This OSI layer through this is a very important for, and either you cannot not understand. So 7-layer is not you know expect to network modules. So this is a very important for you. Network computer related everything information. So various aspects of OSI design evolve from experience with ARPANET. Okay, so various aspects OSI design evolve from experience is ARPANET, NP, LNet, EIN, C-clade network. These are network of create and work in IFIP WG6 world ground 6.1. It is one type of organization created, and it was a lot of companies OSI design after 7-layer model is provided by work Charles Benman. So it is a very important for changing and everything operating system related, because this OSI is based of important, and without OSI you cannot transfer your data, not communication, and not change your traveling data. The new design was document is ISO 7498. So is a new document created as its various addenda. Okay, so OSI version 2. Okay, so in this model networking system was divided into layer. Okay, so two layer insert into two layers of system, so within each layer. Okay, so network is important one type of protocol, and sometimes underground side some important one to one device to another device side transferring data. So one type of without your protocol communication, without accessible your OSI system, so you cannot transfer. So it is a one of. So within each layer, one or more increase implementation each functionality. So every more increase implementation is functionality very good to understand about OSI 7 layer model. Okay. So each interacted directly only with the layer immediately beneath it. Okay. So each interacted directly means one to another side you can see you're like going to directly transferring data and in communication with one type of and another side you can provide facilities, so and provide facilities for use by the layer above it. Okay. So without a layer, without OSI layer model, you cannot communicate one to another side traveling data, and it's called network concept in packets. Okay. So the OSI standard documents are available from ITUT as X200 series. This means ITUT one type of your available documents from give specific document entry in your computer. So recommendations recommendation for some the protocol very specification, so were also available a part of IPX X series. Okay, so one type of some protocol is a very specification created one type of different type of way different reason and usable for protocol. So just to give you example, you are open a website. So HTTPS you can see on your browser. So that is a main protocol and using only for web browser web browsing website open. So that is one type of protocol you start up. Second is the protocol FTP. FTP is a file transfer protocol, only file transferring protocol. SMTP is a simple mail transfer protocol, means transfer your email ID. So that is a one type of worldwide lot of protocols available, and this is the reason of communication one to another side. Your communication in world. Okay. So without protocol, without OSI 7 layer model, you cannot connect one to another side system. So this is a very powerful and giant of network, just like Google and Facebook, Amazon, lot of company. You now connect to high level type of security, government, SS, government, department, and governments and different type sector and private companies and lot of other type of small to small business side. Even your mobile Android devices, Android, using application, everything using OSI model. Without OSI model, you cannot connect one to another side in communication. So how this equal the equivalent ISO and ISO IEC. So ISO and ISO IEC standard for OSI model were available from ISO. Okay. So available from ISO, not all are free of changes. Okay, you cannot change in you are purchase OSI model for your new type of you create new OS. So you cannot changing without it pre. Okay, because you want to first create a protocol, you want to understand about a programming language, C, C++, Java, Python, Ruby, different type of protocol created by different work facilities and requirement through companies created. So OSI model, OSI layer, OSI is a one type of you sending data. So you're going data OSI layer through, you receiving data through so receiving your data OSI through. Without OSI layer, OSI model, you cannot communicate one to another side. So you can see OSI was hands on an industry effort attempting to get industry participants and to agree on common network standard to provide multi-vendor interoperability. So lot of industry come in effort one type of a 1984 and attempting industry participate agree. Why? Because publicly these allow and a lot of people understand about some, especially some engineers, some researchers. and publicly in 1984 by USA government not allowed, but some telecommunication companies and some US researcher, just like companies like IBM company and other type of company. And ARPANET is based of changing of a world, because all of create any new high technically create one type of communication, transferring data and everything. So using only important for USA government, but not publicly allowed. But 1984 inside 1984 year allowed to company to provide transferring data and receiving data. So that is a main of common network standard start providing multi-vendor implementation. So you can see ISP, internet service provider, today to this generation. You can see here in this generation. I'm showing you one type of example how OSI layer work here. Okay, so first you can see this, it's called AND device and this destination device. Just suppose, just I'm giving example, this is a Google server. Okay, this is a Google server, this is AND system, this is a AND system, this server system, this is a client system and middle system. Okay, you are using in USA internet. Okay, any company, in any company. Okay, so just understand, I'm using a New York one computer. Okay, and lot of company connect in my lot of computer connect in my computer, but I'm open one computer in enter www.google.com. So I want to first understand about how these open Google, because I want first ISP internet. Without ISP not I can open this Google. So why this problem? Because I'm only create internal site network. Okay, and one to another side computer connecting communication with connected other side. Okay, so this is a one type of my internet area side communication, completely transferring data completely, but internal structures are not outside. So I want first ISP, means internet service provider, internet telecommunication company. I want to purchase first some router and connect my network in my company network. So I'm again at www.google.com. So going my data packet through, it's called packet OSI layer through, and router access, router going to ISP router. Okay, so ISP router, lot of neighbor router, router find one to this my query and going to directly server system, and after again server reply in my destination area side router again lot of router available ISP in transferring again give me this reply router, and router reply to me my computer on this data showing receive my pick up my computer and open my Google website. Okay, and you enter your Facebook, same as it is Facebook, going to data to router to go ISP routers, lot of routers network, and go to Facebook server reply and showing me facebook.com. Okay, that is the one type of network system. Okay, so any site, any world, any your device using the mobile, tablet, your laptop, your desktop, any devices, that is the important of OSI. All of these OSI layer is responsible for data communication, transferring data, everything. And the second is the protocol. Okay, so second is a protocol. Without protocol you cannot communicate. Without the protocol you cannot understand about how you want to not data, how you open your system. So that is a very important for understand about protocol. Okay, so I will show you in next some video protocol what is a call protocol. Okay, so you can see here one type of it was common for large network to support multiple network protocols. So it's okay with many devices unable to interoperate with other devices because of a lack of common protocol. Okay, lot of lack of common protocol. However, while OSI developed its network standard, TCP/IP came into widespread use on multiple vendor networks for inter networking. Okay, So this is very important for lot of devices are not perfectly start because lot of protocol support, lot of protocol network startup. So this is completely fast protocol, very important for transferring data. TCP/IP protocol, transmission control protocol, internet protocol. This is two type of protocol worldwide multi-vendor networks created. This is a very important to understand. And what is a TCP/IP internet protocol? I will show you. This is you can see understand one type of server, lot of server available in one in company, just like Google company. But how this one data to another data side and how to find out this data going to transferring data one to neighbor side devices and other side long distance type of devices. So how you identify devices and router and other type of your system, your computer server and manuals, any devices. So this is a responsible TCP/IP protocol. This protocol identity one type of where coming from your data and where going your destination of data. Okay, so that is the main important of a TCP/IP protocol. So this is one type of guide showing you what is a network protocol. Network protocol is to to any devices. To any devices means your computer to switch, computer to router inside. So one type of a set of rules. Okay, rules means you want open web browser. Without web browser you cannot open any website. That is the rules. Okay, and what is a web browser inside? So web browser is using a HTTP protocol, HTTPS protocol, FTP, FTPS protocol, different type of protocol available in active in your computer background. You cannot watch directly. You want to watch, so you open resource monitor. Okay, I'm just showing you resource monitor. Without resource monitor and other application, you cannot open your protocol. So that is I'm just showing you. Going to control panel, and you can see this is a control panel here, and click on large icon, and you can see here I'm just open task manager. Okay, just I'm use task manager. So you can see here this is one type of directly I'm create task manager open, and you can see this is my showing you can see here. Okay, this is a services you can see here, and this is a process ID showing me everything your this is showing in my computer in everything computer related um, basically system side. So every computer you can see I'm going to showing again to resource monitor. I'm going to resource monitor open, and going to network. Okay, network going to, so you can see here uh, today I'm not starting, but you can see here network in TCP protocol, TCP UDP protocol depend on your system and protocol without not communication startup. Okay, so that is a very important for understand about without a protocol not startup in your system. Okay, so communication protocols enable. Okay, communication protocol enable entity is in one host to interact with the corresponding entry at the same layer in another host. Okay, so this is a very important to understand the enable entity and one host interact with corresponding entity same layer in another host. So service definition like the OSI model. Okay, so abstractly describe the functionality provided to n layer by n layer, where n is one of the 7 layers protocol operating system in localhost. So that is a very important to understand about the OSI model. Okay, so corresponding entity same layer another host, same layer to another host another side. So service definition OSI model like abstractly functionality provide. Okay, so that is an n layer and one layer, and is one of 7 layer protocols operating the localhost means n is a number. Okay, number of layers. Okay, so you want to understand about one computer to connect the centralized device is like switch. I am not connect the internet one. okay. But internal side you can see one computer another side, this computer going every computer connect, okay, one to each other. So without a 7-layer protocol operating system, it's called communication protocol, not not connect. You know, you already you connect just like a cable through and centralized device you give power, but without the 7-layer protocol communication not you enable in your computer, so not communicate one to another side. This is a not transferring data one to another side. This is important for understand about your communication, okay. So at each level add means your numbers to entire communication device, okay. So two communication internet device you can see one and two, okay, okay. So layer and pairs exchange protocol data units. It's called PDU. Some protocols add in these C system, and some protocols add all of one computer, okay. So you purchase any new computer, so already you want to first install in operating system, and in operating system in already OSI model protocols available with some protocol available in BIOS feature, okay. So this is a very important to understand about your computer layer in operating system. Each PDU contain payload, okay. This is a very important payload. Payload is one type of created protocol file or program and called service data unit SDU along with the protocol related header and footers, okay. So along with some protocol header and footer, so I'm just giving, you can see here this is internet here, okay. Now this you can see www.google.com. So this open you are google.com. So in correctly behind your protocol work this tab, okay. This type protocol you can see this is internet protocol means numbers of IP address. It's called new type of address, IP address. I will show you what is the IP address and why this IP address using in a computer, but I will show you in a 66.102.1104, okay. So that is the number of protocol means IP address, okay. Yahoo.com you can see 216.109.118.74. That is the one type of a protocol, internet protocol, okay. So without internet protocol you are not any website open, and that is you can see here one to another side you can open here, okay. And other type of website you can see here. This is an internet protocol, okay. Internet protocol, without internet protocol, without number internet protocol you cannot access and transfer data. So you can see here one computer you send your data to another, so this sending data another side you can see, okay. So I'm give example one type of, you can see here this is a one type of IP address related numbers. So in this my case you can see here this is my computer ID 10.10.16.49. It is internet protocol version 4 address, and this internet protocol communication protocol. Second is protocol, you can see my subnet protocol, that is a communication protocol. Third is gateway, okay. This is the important gateway, and this is you can see 10.10.1.1 you can see that is a communication protocol, and new type of protocol created after 2003 one IP version 6 address, you can see. So this is a very important for understand about protocol of created. You can see this is dynamic source configure protocol, DNS protocol. That is a protocol communication protocol, okay. And without communication protocol you cannot use sending data, receiving data. That is a very important for understand, and that is a main of changing protocol data in any one type of protocol related header and footer, everything data you going through this important for your IP address, okay. So you can see here this is ISP service provider, not directly give you internet without your your IP address. Very important for some company uh, charge your private IP address. Some company give public IP address, some time change automatically, and that is a one type. But you want unique in the world, you want IP address, mean IP address means one type of unique number ID. In this ID, your data follow everything. Your data you send data, so that is an IP address through coming a reply from your computer. Okay, so that is a very important to understand about the system. So next time I will show you data processing, how data process in your network, internet, and traveling. And after next time showing you OSI layer of system. So data processing one type of how to process, how to transferring data, and how many type of one to another side data transfer. So that is a one type of data processing in this computer network side. So thank you. Have next time I will continue on this topic. And any comment, any you want questions, so comment me. So thank you. Watch my video. Have next time I will show you data processing and how travel data one to another side. So thank you. Nice day.